Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a flower bouquet with chocolate-covered strawberries. First, gather your supplies: fresh, firm strawberries, a vase or container, floral foam, and a selection of your favorite flowers. You'll also need wooden skewers, melting chocolate, and any desired toppings like sprinkles. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's prepare those delicious strawberries. First, wash and completely dry each berry. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from adhering properly. Melt your chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth, or use a double boiler. Dip each strawberry, letting any extra chocolate drip back into the bowl, then immediately add your favorite sprinkles or toppings. Place them on wax paper to set. With your chocolate-covered strawberries set, it's time to assemble the bouquet. Carefully insert a wooden skewer into the top of each strawberry, pushing it about 2/3 of the way in. Place your floral foam securely into your container. Begin arranging your fresh flowers, then strategically add the strawberry skewers, varying their heights and positions. Aim for a beautiful, balanced look that combines both elements seamlessly. To complete your stunning bouquet, fill any small gaps with extra greenery or smaller filler flowers to create a lush, full appearance. You can also tie a decorative ribbon around the container for an elegant finishing touch. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Your homemade chocolate-covered strawberry and flower bouquet is now ready to be gifted or enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.